What do you think now? Doing?
Well, today we're trying to get the tires back on the JJ.
What the hell happened?
And trying to get up our treacherous driveway. Doesn't look like much, but I mean, we barely made it up in the Cummins last night. So when we have 2 flat tires, it's definitely not going to get up there.
Well, I don't understand. Why'd you leave it here like this? It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I don't think I did that. So, all
right. Well, that back tire.
Yeah,
that's looking. I don't think even.
I don't. We're either gonna have to get these on.
Oh, look at all the snow in the bottom of it.
We're either gonna have to get this tire on, or we're gonna have to go get other tires from the other Jeep that we blew the engine up in, and put them onto this.
Well, first thing we're gonna have to do is get that back on the right side of the rim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know how we're gonna do that.
Oh, there we go. Give her a kick. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna need a screwdriver.
Or 2.
We need Brendan to finish working on his snowmobile so he can be our runner. Alright, well, we're gonna try and use like brake clean and shit to put this back on because there's no adults here today. And there's proof in that because we're actually riding the only adult snowmobile too while she's not here. Alright, we're gonna go get a pry bar and see if we can get that back on the right side, I guess.
Well, guys, I had hopes of getting these tires back on the rims so that we didn't have to switch all the tires on the side of the road here. But I just found something that I think is gonna ruin my plan. I don't think your valve stem is supposed to look like this. Hey! The hell did you do to the valve stem?
Oh no!
Yeah.
What's that on?
The front tire.
Oh, well, that's gonna make it harder.
So that means we have to get the tires from our other Jeep with a blown up engine.
Yeah.
And then switch them out on the side of the road here in the snow.
It's cold out too.
Yeah, my ears are freezing cold.
You should wear a hat.
I should probably not have a ball cap on.
Okay.
So we got a jack stand underneath here. Got the tires and the jack secured in the trailer.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, Who tightened these? Jesus.
I think that one's gonna break off.
It's not what we want.
That one's stripped.
I think you're gonna break the wrench
I
off.
actually think
It's bending the wrench. That's not what you want with your breaker bar.
brand new fucking.
What?
If we abandon it out here, it'll start.
Yeah, hopefully it'll start. No way! Holy crap! Runs perfect.
Oh, this is a much bigger tire. It'll fit like a glove.
Oh, it fits fucking perfect.
Oh shit!
Oh, we got it. We got both one side tires changed on the side of the road here. This sucked. Oh! What do you think of this tire, Dad?
This
This one's definitely aired down like you guys say we should do.
Oh yeah, that one's aired down.
Yeah.
Should get extra snow traction.
This one, oh, this one's also aired down. Oh!
Hey,
Right? We're going snow wheeling.
ready to roll.
Got new 31s on the JJ, no lift. No self clearance, right?
I hope not, because she's pretty.
Oh yeah, this thing's beautiful. And then we got the nice Rubiton full of snow.
It snowed a ton today.
Yeah, we've got a ton of snow. This was plowed this morning, and we already had a bunch of snow. So this will be interesting with the little JJ.
Easy.
The 40s just ate it up. You can't park there. What'd you do?
To get a run start, you got down in the hole.
We backed way off the trail. Yeah, you can't do that.
I think we're stuck.
Dude, you got this thing buried in here.
The flex though.
Look at that tuckage. Stuffed.
Everyone in the comments is gonna be freaking out. I'm around the hitch. Yeah. Saying we're gonna die. I think we'll be okay this time. I'm not pulling anything crazy.
See what that does? Yeah. Past the duty cycle. Oh.
Yep. Wow. Well, I am impressed.
So the Rubicon seems to be leaking coolant really bad, and I think they just lost heat because it's so low on coolant. So we're gonna have to kind of bomb this trail and try and get back to the cabin before we blow that thing up, heating it up so bad. So it's always something out on the trail. Oh yeah, you got coolant definitely dripping down there.
I think we were getting pretty low on coolant.
Yeah, you got to get that figured out, huh?
When you build a Jeep with tons and everything you could possibly want, and then you buy a radiator on eBay, in eBay, I guess you get what you deserve.
Yeah, that's true.
We'll be tearing this thing apart and redoing that, I guess.
Yeah,
Probably get one off Amazon this time.
off Amazon.
Yeah.
Might be better quality.
Probably better.
Yeah, well, apparently you just should have built up a Liberty.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, because the Liberty,
I don't know.
she's
I
working
mean,
perfect.
I think we did okay following you.
Yeah, I
don't know
think
if we
so.
could have broke trail.
Probably not. It's a good thing we had the Liberty out there.
Oh, it is just.
Look how much snow.
I'll
Look
tell you.
at this pack in here.
I know my lights are in here somewhere. Way there.
Oh yeah, that's crazy. Look at this wheel.
I know. Sometimes people are like, "Oh, you know, winter's not for me," and I gotta tell you, if you say that, it's because you don't get out here with your toys and play in this snow. Because, man, there's nothing like driving in the snow.
No, there really isn't.
It's just crazy.
And honestly, you can learn so much just like playing in the snow that actually will help you while you're just trying to drive to work or something.
Yeah.
Like if you come out and you screw around in the snow, you'll learn how to drive in the snow. You know, there's nothing to it. Just it's just experience.
Well, me and Brendan did do an accidental donut on.
Yeah, you did. You guys definitely spun out. I forgot about the tree in the road and smoked it.
I know. Well, so what we did is we knew it was there, so I picked up a bunch of speed. I was in two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
And I locked up the front brakes and steered into it.
Yeah.
And it broke it in half and shot it off the road.
Oh, good,
yeah.
good.
And then we
Yeah,
just
there
had
was
the other
a-
side to pick up.
Yeah, there was a tree that had fallen in the road, and on the way back, I was clipping along real good, and I had forgot about it and just smoked it with the Liberty.
Good job. Just put
Yeah.
those tires on.
Yeah, just I don't. Hopefully,
nothing
it's all
nice.
right. Well, maybe we'll do some wheeling tomorrow. If not, that's a wrap for this video.